ki jing pen kre na benta ka jing thep vote la shai gasgi kilayat shat RI-BHOI district habakran chikilat pathai khobor u deputy commissioner ka district u arpit upadhai hne gasgi ula ong baladap bat pen kre ya ka sandor ka babnia habaya dei bat ka jing shngan ban penne pensa ya ka suk ka san ha ka ski thep vote bat ka district kala kham penlet jingmot halor ki jaka thep vote ki ba kham don jingma bat ki ba don jingma ki benta ba kham I Shan khamat bat ki jaka khapot ula ong ba ki don lai phawai tali ki jaka thep vote ki ba kham don jingma bat sau tali ki wai pat ki ba don jingma hagaju ka por la dap ban pen bet ya ki jing pen bit pen byang ha ka bala pha ya ka CAPF ki ken huan pulit bat home guard ban pen tikna ya ka jing ya bet ya renti jong ka election UDC ula ong ru bahagani ka election MP lai spa an riu pun riu ngut ki nong thep vote kum ki riu rangba bat ki badon jingduna hakid khatmet ki lajit ban thep vote na yin
So as far as preparation is concerned, all the preparations have been made and it is in full swing. With regard to law and order issues, a very detailed security plan has been made. And we are especially focusing on critical and vulnerable polling stations, the sensitive pockets and the border areas. We have 31 polling stations which are critical vulnerable polling stations and 4 are critical polling stations. So for that adequate arrangements have been made. We have CAPFs and sufficient deployment of police forces.